Welcome to the JF888 Air Purifier, your ultimate solution for cleaner, healthier air. This is the power button. Press it to turn on the purifier. This is the fan speed button, which adjusts the fan speed from 1 to 5 levels. Activate the auto mode. It will automatically adjust the fan speed according to the air quality. It has 3 display types for PM 2.5, PM 1.0 and PM 10, which can show your air quality with different scales. This is the sleep mode button to turn off all lights and run the purifier with ultra-low noise. This is the filter life indicator button. Please remember to change the filter when the filter life is low. To activate or deactivate the child lock, long press to turn it off and on. This is the timer button. You can adjust the time according to your preference. Thank you for using our product.